A bombshell showdown in Washington, one of America's most powerful law firms, just bent the knee to Donald Trump. Security clearances were stripped, federal contracts revoked, but now, a sudden peace deal worth $40 million. What just happened between Trump and Paul Weiss? Let's break it down. It started with an executive order. On March 14th, former President Trump signed off on a stunning directive, suspending security clearances for lawyers at Paul Weiss, one of the nation's top law firms. Why? According to Trump, the firm crossed the line, defending January 6 defendants pro bono, hiring attorneys who later investigated him, and pushing so-called discriminatory DEI policies. This wasn't just about Paul Weiss. Trump had already gone after two other major law firms, Covington and Burling and Perkins Coie. The message? If you've ever stood against Trump, expect consequences. Federal judges and legal experts called it unprecedented and possibly unconstitutional. But Paul Weiss took a different approach. Rather than fight in court, they went to the source. Firm chairman Brad Karp flew to Washington, meeting with Trump's team behind closed doors. And what came next? A surprise reversal. Trump rescinded the order. In exchange, Paul Weiss agreed to abandon all diversity, equity, and inclusion policies, and committed to $40 million in pro bono work to support conservative causes, combating anti-Semitism, helping veterans, and restoring fairness in the justice system. We are gratified that the president has agreed to withdraw the executive order. Brad Karp. Critics are calling it a political shakedown, a major law firm altering its internal policies to please a president. Others say it's a bold move to regain influence. Meanwhile, Trump is doubling down, pushing Columbia University to fire leadership over campus protests and launching investigations into 20 other law firms. This isn't just about one law firm, it's a signal. Trump's influence over the legal world is back in full force. With $40 million on the line and DEI in retreat, the legal industry is now facing a new era, one where politics, power, and law collide like never before.